What the hell was that all about?
What?
You know what I'm talking about. There is nothing important to do at the station.
Well, I disagree. We need someone in there who knows the deal and who can act on the drop of a dime.
Give me a break. What the hell is going on?
You really want to know? Fine. There's some concern about you out in the field.
What kind of concern?
Concern because I learned you have ties to the suspect.
Oh, I see. So now I'm a traitor? I'm going to protect the suspect?
Oh, I don't believe that.
No, you just take me off my assignment.
I'm trying to take you out of harm's way.
This is your idea of protection. You might as well point a finger at me in front of the entire squad.
You don't assign someone you don't trust in the squad. If anything goes wrong over there, I don't want you anywhere near him.
Well, thank you for your concern.